Well, now that we get the push rods and rockers off, this magnet you get from Harbor Freight works really good to keep all your pieces right in order, nice and neat. The head bolts here is going to be the problem right here. This bolt here is full of carbon, and I got a feeling that's where the head gasket is blowed, because that head bolt come out kind of rough. I don't know if we're going to be replacing these injectors or not. They're original, but we'll decide that later. I'm going to try and get this head off here. I made me a little gizmo here with a chain, and that can pull it right off of there. But it's kind of hard to do holding this camera, but I'm gonna give it a try. Well, it's off of there, but I'm gonna set it down a minute, and I'll show you what it looks like as soon as I get it back down here on the ground. Now here you can see the head gasket. Kind of sunny out here, but you can see the damage is here. Where it was leaking combustion into the cooling system. And I was having trouble with number 5 and 6 spark plug fouling out due to water when it was cold. But this engine's got 100,000 on it since these gaskets been replaced, and I guess they don't last very long. It's got a little bit of block seal in it. But the actual leakage is right here, leaking in to the combustion chamber. As you can see, here's the combustion chamber, here's the water jacket, here's where that bolt was all carboned up from leaking out. I take that back, it was this one up here. That one's had a lot of carbon on it, and that was the major issue. But I think some head gaskets ought to do it. We do have to pull the other side off yet. Exhaust manifold didn't come out too bad. Cylinders are gonna be all right. The motor's fairly clean. But a little more work and we'll have it done. Alright, I'm gonna set the camera down.